In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality uploads on TikTok. So if you recorded a video and you want it to be the highest quality possible when you upload it, you need to do this because usually TikTok will compress your video and all that effort will be for nothing. So first, go to your profile. Once you have under your profile, go to the hamburger menu. Click on Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down until you see Data Savior. And then, if this is turned on, that means that it will reduce your data consumption by consuming cellular data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load. And so just basically turn this off. This doesn't apply when you're on Wi-Fi, but if you have like unlimited LTE plan or whatever, I would recommend that you turn this off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, subscribe, like and leave a comment. If you didn't, let me know in the comments what was the problem and I'll do my best to fix it.